2025 Toyota Grand Highlander. I'm going to show you the service the cabin filter. Where it's at. It's going to be located behind the glove box. First thing I'm going to do is disconnect this damper here. We're going to push these in like that. Both sides. And you can lower the glove box, it'll actually come off. And then the filter is in this compartment here. I'm going to squeeze this, pull this door off here. And then you can pull out the retainer for the filter. And you're just going to take it out and replace it. You get an aftermarket filter and it has airflow directions on it. This is a factory filter, but if it says airflow, it's going to be down. The factory filter just says up on it, because it wants you to install it that way. And when you go to put this back in, you need to make sure that the back half is pushed all the way back, okay, where you can get your finger in this gap here. So you can get this door back on. This door has these feet. So we put the left side in first, and then snap it on like that. Put the glove box back on. Okay, just sits on there. It sits on the hinges. Just close it. And then hook the damper back up. And you're all done. If you need a cabin filter, check the description box. I have a link to take you to Amazon where you can get one. Hope the video was helpful if it was. Appreciate it. Hit the like button for me. Leave me a comment if you could. Hope to see you again in another video.